Alright, this quick video will be a refresh on properties of exponents. Now we have three main properties that I'm going to talk about. We have the product property, the power property, and the quotient property. Product means multiply, so on number 7 there. The product property has to deal with when I'm multiplying two terms together. Now, properties of exponents only work for exponents. So when you see multiplying, you have those whole numbers 3 and 4. You multiply them like you always have. So when you have 3 times 4, that's definitely true. Now, when you talk about exponents, when we are multiplying terms, we add exponents of the same variable. So if you have n's there, you have an m to the third and an m to the fourth. If you add their exponents together, you get m to the seventh. Similar with the n's, you have an n to the third and an n squared. You add their exponents together, you get n to the fifth. Now, if I look at number 8, that's an example of the power property. Power property means you have a set of parentheses, exponents inside and exponents outside. Here again, the power property only works for exponents, not whole numbers. So when you have that whole number, 2 raised to the third power is exactly what 2 raised to the third power means. That does not mean 2 times 3, it means 2 3 times, or 2 times 2 times 2, which actually gives me 8. The property comes into play when you're dealing with the exponents. And the power property with exponents says, if I have exponents inside and outside parentheses to apply the power property, I multiply their exponents. So with the x's, if I have x to the third inside to the third power, that gives me x to the 9th. And with the y's, if I have y squared on the inside to the third power, that gives me y to the 6th. And then the last one there, the quotient property. Quotient means to divide. Here again, only works for exponents. So the whole number I divide as normal. So when I have 12 divided by 4, I definitely get 3. Where the exponents are concerned, the quotient property says we subtract exponents. So, of the same variable. So my x's, I have x to the 4th in the numerator, x to the 3rd in the denominator. 4 minus 3 gives me x. Now, you can put the 1 if you want to. If you don't put the 1, that's fine. If you see a variable without an exponent, that means 5th power. Similar with my y's, I have a y to the 3rd in the numerator, y to the 2nd in the denominator. 3 minus 2 gives me y to the 1st, or just y.